look at how ginger can help you have an excellent bowel movement in the morning. All the food you eat the night before the morning will have better digestion. Your kidney, your liver will all be detoxified, clean out, get rid of the toxins the next morning. So, drinking ginger water or ginger tea is very, very easy to make. You don't need a whole lot of things to make your ginger tea, but please make sure you are using organic ginger. For me, usually I have some ginger juice freshly squeezed in my fridge, so I never go out of ginger juice in my house. So if you don't have ginger juice, get some fresh ginger, cut them up. So this is some ginger that I have already extracted the juice from. So boil your hot water, pour in some ginger juice. Like I said, if you don't have the ginger juice, just use some organic ginger, cut them up, and put them in very, very hot water. However, when you put them in hot water, also the next thing you want to do, especially if you have problems sleeping at night, or if you really want this to work better at night, you need to really sleep and don't wake up and keep going to the bathroom. Usually what I do at night when I make my ginger tea is I add me some of the tea that I usually drink sometimes at night to make help me sleep better. It's called Bonnie Newt. It's French. I don't know what it is, but it really helps me sleep better. So I take a bag of this tea and I dunk it into my ginger water. However, not everybody, this tea is optional. Any kind of tea is very, very optional. You can put a tea, you can put green tea, but what I want to do is that I really, really want to not wake up very often at night, because I want the ginger to really get inside my kidney, my liver, detoxify everything that we're looking for, so that I sleep the entire night, and then when I get up in the morning, I will have a fresh bowel movement. I will pee like I've never peed before, and then my weight, it looks like it's gonna look like I have like 10 or 20 pounds taken off me. And then I'll make sure you remember to squeeze some lemon. Lemon. It said yes, dunk in the lemon, squeeze some lemon, but I don't like adding honey to this tea because I really want to get the taste, the zesty taste of the lemon and the ginger. It really works. It gives you like, it looks like fire, right? Like your throat is all fired up, and then it goes down into your belly to stimulate things in your stomach. And then thank you guys for your time. Thank you for subscribing. Go home and try your own lemon tea and ginger. If you have any tea, dunk the tea just to complete it. Otherwise, just enjoy your ginger and lemon tea. Goodbye.